Hey guys, how's it going? Well, welcome to my channel, and today we have a brand new product. This is the Kospet Optimus 2 smartwatch, but it's not any smartwatch. This thing literally does everything. It's a smartphone on your wrist. Let's go and check it out. Well, right off the bat, you may notice how large this smartwatch is. On my small Asian wrist, it literally dwarfs it, and it basically takes up my entire wrist. But this thing makes up with its impressive specifications. For starters, you got 64 gigabytes of onboard storage with 4 gigabytes of ROM. Also, you have a 13 megapixel camera that flips up. Let me show you that feature. Just with a quick kind of push, you see this 13 megapixel camera that does video. Also, there's an LED flash. So yes, take pictures in low light conditions or use this as a flashlight. Now, you have a 1.6 inch color display, and this has a 1260 milliamp hour battery, so it should be good for 1 to 2 days of normal usage. But of course, if you're watching on Netflix videos, well, may run it down fairly quickly. Alright, but if you're worried about battery life, let's go and show you one cool little feature here. If we go into light mode, it uses a different processor, so you can get about 4 to 5 days of usage in this mode. Yes, you won't be able to watch Netflix or play games, but you got all the core features like being able to receive and send text messages. You can do your heart rate. You can make phone calls. Also, you can check out your sleep pattern and your blood oxygen levels. Yes, there's a blood oxygen level, has a heart rate monitor, and can count your steps. And lastly, you do have the ability to check your breathing as well. Alright, let's get to the actual fun stuff, the Android side, which runs on Android 10.7, probably the latest version that these smartwatches run on. Now, this particular smartwatch has a MediaTek 8-core processor, and for the light mode, there's a separate processor, so it doesn't consume as much battery life. Alright, so to change different screensavers or watch faces, just press down and hold for a few seconds. As you can see, there's a bunch. So if you don't like what's already pre-installed on the watch, you can actually download more through the little app store that's built into the watch. But me personally, I prefer just one that shows the time, date, and also my steps. Okay, so let's talk about the interface here. It's pretty nice, works pretty well. I like this, but you could actually change it. If I hold down, I can change it to different ways to show the applications here. You can see I can do circle, I can do like a grid style, single style. But I actually like the circular because it shows the most apps on one screen. Alright, to go back, just press this button back here. And this is your power/home button. If you hold it down, you actually get a couple of quick toggles. You can change from square screen to circular screen. Square screen is nice if you have applications that don't show all the buttons. You can set it there. I'll show you that in a second. You can shut down the watch. Also, you can switch between light mode and Android mode and recent tasks. Okay, so let's go to show you some of the features here. Let's look at the heart rate. And we'll just hold still for a few seconds. Alright, since I've been talking, you can see my heart rate's a little elevated. I'm kind of excited about this smartwatch. Alright, let's go and show you the oxygen level. This measurement takes about anywhere from 20 seconds up to a minute. And you also have breathing. You can do night mode. I do recommend going to light mode if you are planning on sleeping with the smartwatch. Okay, so you have the web browser, you got gallery, you do alarm clock, you have a memory here. Let me show you the memory on. You have 64 gigabytes of memory. I've been using about 26.15 and I have about 37.85 gigabytes left. So plenty of memory for my applications. I really like the fact they include a lot of memory with this version. Alright, let's go and look at the phones here. It's a basic phone. You can do call records. You can check out contacts. But I'll show you the dial pad right there. It's fairly basic, but it works pretty well. And messages, if you have text messages, you can send Also, if you have set up notifications, you actually can receive messages through your smartphone if you have the app enabled. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. Let's check out like some applications. For example, I do like Prime Video, and you can see I can watch cartoons here. Let's go and swipe down, just push play. It's pretty fast.
Okay, we'll send a car right over. You called.
Pretty cool. Kind of wish I had this in grade school. You also can play games. Let me show you. I guess we can do Doodle Jump. Alright, let's go and play here. And it uses accelerometers. I'm terrible at this game. Ah. Well, I haven't died yet. Pretty fun. Yes, we're gonna exit out. And yes, there is a flashlight mode. Let me flip that up. See the flashlight? Very handy if you're in the dark and you need to quickly see what you're doing. Alright, so that's just a quick look at this smartwatch. It's really cool. All the core Android features work here. And if you want to make a full screen, all you have to do is hold down the top right button, switch to circular display. Now you have the full screen here. But me personally, since I want to access the little buttons down below, I prefer the square mode. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you Kospet for sending me out this cool smartwatch. I definitely like it. One thing is, if you find this particular model too big, you can check out the website. They actually have different models like the Prime S, and they also have like smaller versions if you find that this one's a little too large for your wrist. Alright, have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys next time. Be safe out there. Adios.